Hey guys, Tom and Lisa here for episode number 4 of Vintage Green. Let's check it out.
Hi, we are here with Joyce, the owner of Vintage Green. Joyce, can you tell us more about your business?
Yes, thank you. So I opened 6 years ago. I have always loved vintage, and I've always loved the color green. Vintage Green. Been here for 6 years. I love Centertown. Everything that's in the store is sourced by me. It's authentically vintage. I go out, find it, wash it, repair it, bring it in. So anything you buy here is not going to be like what everybody else has in their house.
So I heard rumor of a special event that you're doing or hosting. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, I would love to. So this will actually be the 5th year I'll host Flea on 7th, which should have been the 6th, but hello, COVID. So it happens this year on Sunday, August 1st. Out in the parking lots by my store, there will be 35 plus vendors bringing vintage and unique things that they made and selling those. It's free, so just come wander, browse, shop, enjoy the day, get lunch at JW's because they'll be open that day, and then come back and wander, as well as all my other neighborhood stores will be open that day too.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you for your time today.
Yes, thank you.
If you know of another business that you think we should highlight, please let us know. Please like, love, comment, and share this video. Okay, so that's a wrap of episode 4. Our question today was, what is the difference between an inspection, a home inspection, and the appraisal?
Okay, so basically the home inspection is a third-party inspection that you have the option to do when you're buying a home, and that's typically done within a 10-day window of your offer being accepted. The appraisal is done during the mortgage process, and the lender is actually going to order that appraisal to make sure the home is worth the purchase price.
Awesome. See you guys in the next video.